In this quick video, I'm about to show you how you can download VirtualBox in 2025. So let's get started. So first, type here in the address bar virtualbox.org. So this is the website that you guys want to hit. So enter that. I'll link down this under my description as well, so that you guys can click, and you can simply click on this download button. Then this will show you the platform or packages. So if you're on Mac, you can go with this one, or Linux, then you can go here. So I'm basically here in Windows, so just downloading Windows host file and clicking on save. This will take some time. Well, there we go. So double click to open up the VirtualBox. So now it's gonna open up the installer for you. Now click next, and I accept. Click next, click on next, and it's gonna show you warning network disconnection, and simply fine. So click on yes, and just click on next. All right, so install. Now you can simply start Oracle VM box. Well, this is how it should look like. So you can go to basic mode or export mode. I will switch to export mode. Well, you can create new here, and you can load whatever OS that you guys wanted to. Well, this is the VirtualBox. Now you guys have installed it. Well, that's pretty much it. So hope you guys like this video, and please consider subscribing and liking this video if you guys think this video helps you out. So I will see you guys in the next video on how to install operating system. So see you guys in the next video. Peace.